Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will gonna show you how did I make 22,000 rupees profit by trading Bank Nifty options. I have a capital of 1,58,000 and if at all you see my profit it is 22,500. Let's see how much percentage of profit I have made. 22,500 and 1,58,000. I have made a profit of 14% today on my deployed capital by trading 10 lots. Let's see how did I make this kind of a profit by trading just 10 lots. Now let's get into chart analysis and see how did I make that profit. Where was my entry? Where was my exit? Before getting into entry and exit, let's mark the important levels. Here is previous day low. Here is previous day high, and I've also marked the origin CPR from yesterday, and I have also marked a partial origin CPR here. So when market opened today, market opened almost flat since market was falling from last 3 days. Most of them would have got trapped by entering on P. But I always wait for first 15 minutes and see a 15 minutes breakout and take the 15 minutes breakout trade. So this is the first 15 minutes candle. First 15 minutes candle breakout was giving two indications. One is 15 minutes candle breakout, and it was also taking support from CPR, and it was a CPR breakout too. So let me now show you where was my entry, where was my stop loss, and where was my exit. Let me refresh this page, and so that you will not be surprised to see it is Zerodha or different account. I am doing multiple refreshes. So now let's see how did I make this first trade, which gave me 6,000 rupees. In the morning, when first 15 minutes candle gave a breakout, it was a CPR breakout. This was my entry, this was my target, and this was my SL. So my target hit, my first trade was successful. If you see, I was able to make first trade successful. So now let's see how did I make this second trade. How did I give this entry, and where was my stop loss, and where was my SL. Here is the previous day high, and there is a gap as well. When market gave a breakout of previous day high with a big candle and with good volume at the below, if you see the volume. So this was my entry candle, this was my target, and this is the SL. That is how I made this second trade. And here is how I took my third trade, where I made another 5,000 rupees. Market was almost trying to take a support here. When it went till here, it came down again, took support from previous day high and bounced back. When it gave this level breakout, this was my entry on this high big volume candle. Volume is very important, guys. So this was the high volume candle, this was my entry for the third trade, this was my target, and this is my SL. Now let's see how did I take this fourth trade, the last trade for the day, and where was the entry and where was the exit for this trade. So when market was trying to go higher and higher today, this was the origin CPR, and definitely most of the time market will reverse from origin CPR, but there are chances sometimes market will also give a breakout. I was waiting if market will gonna reverse from here, and if it will give me any signal where 8 EMA will turn down. Otherwise, whereas market went higher, it gave a origin CPR breakout. I was very confident when it gave a origin CPR breakout, it would go and hit the next origin CPR, which is here. Since it was already second half of the day, I did not try to hold the position for too longer. I made an entry and exited within the same candle. Within 2 minutes, my trade was complete here. This was my entry. This was the target within the same candle, and I had kept a small 10-point stop loss. From entry, target to exit, everything happened in one single candle, which is a big blue bar. That's how I made this final trade. So, what is the secret? Don't try to overanalyze the market. Don't try to overanalyze to capture 500, 1000 points. Wherever market gives a breakout, and see if the market is giving a breakout with volume, which are really good to go with volume breakouts. And you will be able to see the volume breakout from here. Everywhere there was a good volume breakout and market was completely inching higher and higher. That's how I made this 22,000 today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.